Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, we are going to paint this beautiful clouds and trees painting. So let's begin. For this painting, I am using a canvas. You can also use acrylic painting paper. Here I am using a large flat brush. You can also use this medium sized flat brush. Or even you can use a flat brush number 12, which will take a little bit of more time, so better use a large flat brush. So the colors we need are white acrylic color and Prussian blue color. I've mixed both the colors and now painting the background. Now I'm adding white acrylic color at the bottom corner of the canvas. And adding Prussian blue color at the upper corner of the canvas. So the background was ready. Now let's paint the clouds. So the clouds are ready. Now let's paint the trees. For the trees I'm here using sap green color and light green color. And also using a little bit of red color to give different color to the trees. For the branches I'm here using black color. Also adding highlights using white acrylic color. So our painting is ready and this is the final look. Till then, thanks for watching.